there's so much fear around AI and that it's going to replace, well, us. And so that's as scary as anything, right? From the job marketplace. But especially in sales, you still have to have human interaction. So the ability to do research, look things up, do things like better emails, put together campaigns, those things are great for speed, but it takes the human eye and the touch, the nuance of the human to make it right. So one of the things we talked about is hallucinations, right? So people who have not looked into AI don't know what a hallucination is. That means the AI is wrong. So sometimes it comes up with bad information. And so as a human, we have to be there to kind of correct that, but it's a great jumpstart, right? But it doesn't replace what we do. If those things are interesting to you, feel free to reach out. We're easy to get a hold of. Just look for the Smiling Bald Face online. I'm on LinkedIn. You can go to our website. You can always hit me at joe@360consultingdfw.com.